stop by and take a look at the 2023 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, navigation system, Bluetooth, smart device integration. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.